We're replacing almost 1,700 feet of water main. It was placed around 1940s and 1970s, so we are just replacing the aging infrastructure that we currently have.
So one of the reasons for doing a major water main replacement project like this is to get new pipe in the ground that would prevent us having multiple small breaks over a stretch of time.
They're placing all the barricades, making sure that the traffic signs are out, and all the materials are being delivered on site. They're doing saw cutting and excavating to lay the pipes.
The pipe that we're replacing right now is 75 plus years old. Technology's come a long way. We're going back in place with ductile iron pipe, and in some cases we're taking cast iron out. So the pipe technology's improved and we're putting in a much better product. We hope to get 100 years out of the new pipe.
We are grateful that Illinois American Water Company is putting in over $1 million into our heart of the city with our public square and fountain. While traffic may be a bit of a battle as you come downtown, I like to remind everybody that our sidewalks are open and there is parking on the side streets. So we encourage everyone to come down and visit our mom and pop businesses.
It is really important to support the businesses of downtown Belleville because they are the lifeblood of our community. Without our businesses downtown, we would not be able to support our community as it continues to grow.
Now's the time to replace them. We've got a very small window here where we can do this project between festivals that the city runs, about 90 days, so it's an aggressive schedule to get done, but we've got the right contractor on board that can get it done for us.